Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn a new stitch called the petal stitch or pendant stitch. In this stitch you can see continuous chains on one side and a stem stitch like stitch on the top. We are going to work the stitch in two parallel lines from right to left. Start at a point on the top line. Insert the needle and bring it out in the middle of the stitch like this and pull over. And now insert the needle at the same point in the middle and take it out straight to the first point in the bottom line. Thread below the needle and pull over. You will get a chain here. Insert the needle outside the chain and take it in the top line just before the previous stitch like this and pull over. We have finished the first petal. Once again insert the needle on the top line in the chain and take it out in the previous stitch in the middle like this, and once again insert the needle at the same point and make a slanting stitch like this for the chain and take it out in the bottom line. We have finished the second chain. Insert the needle outside the chain and take it before the previous stitch in the top line. See here clearly. Once again insert the needle in the chain and take it out on the previous stitch on the top line. Insert the needle at the same point and take it out in the bottom line to make a chain, and again the next stitch. Insert the needle at the same point, bring it out in the bottom line and make a chain which will be slightly slanting. Insert the needle outside the chain and once again come to the top line for the next stitch. Insert the needle at the same point and take it out in the bottom line and make a slanting chain like this. Again insert the needle outside the chain and take it diagonally on top line for the next stitch. Insert the needle at the chain and take it out on the previous stitch end. Insert the needle at the same point, take it out straight to the starting stitch in the bottom line to make a chain. Insert the needle outside the chain and go to the top line. And I hope you are clear about the stitch. If you have any doubts, do comment on the comment section. If you like this video, share with your friends. And I have posted nearly 150 videos for basic stitches in hand embroidering, and I have given all the links in the description. If you have not subscribed for my channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my future videos. You can put this stitch in straight lines or also in curved lines. See how beautiful the stitch looks. This is the back view of the stitch. Thank you for watching.